this is the first time where content can actually go viral on every single platform. And you don't have to write or film a video for Facebook, film a 12-minute video for YouTube, film a sub 60-second video for TikTok, write a tweet for Twitter, and post this on Reddit. You can just do the same thing on every platform.
And the fact that your content has gone viral on multiple platforms regularly means that virality is not accidental. Or sometimes it can be, of course, but
it's just not.
It can be engineered.
So many people say it's luck, and they're like, you're just lucky or this or that, but what are we up to? Probably like 1,000 videos over 10 million views. Like, we don't ever have a dud. Like, you can call it luck, but I think it can be trained. I counsel YouTubers all the time and show them how to go from getting a couple million views a month to 10 million views a month very easily. Even certain ones, like just one of my friends, like, he was just really struggling. And so I just started showing him basically everything I know and just doing like once every week, sometimes once every 2 weeks calls. And he went from $10,000 a month on YouTube to over 400,000 just doing these little counseling calls. And so, I mean, people can make excuses all they want and say it's just luck or say, well, anyways, I don't even want to quote all the other stuff, but it's just, it is a teachable skill. It's a learnable skill. You can study your way to consistently make viral videos, no matter how small your channel is. Even if you have 0 subscribers, you could, if you actually studied hard enough. And like, basically, if you knew what I knew and some of these, so I don't sound so arrogant, also like some of these other friends I have that I'd say are the smartest people in the world when it comes to content creation online, if you had the knowledge that was in our heads, you could do it very easily. I see people do it all the time. And what's even more interesting is I go on podcasts and I say everything I know. And these people are also very open. Some of them I know. It's all out there. And a lot of people, instead of just studying that and trying to absorb and apply it in their own way, they're just like, no, it's just luck,
So you do lay it all out there, but I got to push back to one interesting thing. I think a crucial component of your success is the idea stage, the idea generation, the brainstorming I heard today, but getting really good at generating ideas. So it's not just the selection of the thumbnail and the title, that creative process. It's also just the engine of generating really good ideas.
Of course.
And getting that. I mean, I would say that is probably the thing that needs to be trained the most for most creators, right? That they just don't put enough ideas on paper.
Yes, but also a lot of creators also just don't, which I didn't either for the longest time, just don't make good enough content, content that's worthy of getting 10 million views.
In the idea or the execution of the idea?
Both. I mean, like, think about how many people just make videos, they film them in under 20 minutes and they don't really put any effort into it. And like, it's like my first 500 videos didn't deserve to get 1 million views. Like, there's a reason they didn't. They're terrible, what I mean? But at the time I thought they did, right? And I'm in the mindset of a lot of small YouTubers where I thought those videos deserved 1 million views and I thought the algorithm hated me. But I watch them back now and I can tell you exactly why. The videos are just fucking horrible. You know what I mean?
Well, so what was the breakthrough for you to start realizing, to start having a self-awareness, about these videos aren't good enough? You're probably still going through that. You're probably still growing to see.
Every 6 months, you should look back and hate your videos, or at least see things you could improve and be like, oh, I could have done this better, that better. If not, then you're not learning quick enough, in my opinion, at least.
Where's the source of that learning even for you now?
It's
just look at.
I just got back from I just got back from a mastermind where I just got 10 of the smartest people I knew, and we just locked ourselves in a cabin and taught each other stuff. Constantly, every day, not every day now, probably every other day, I go on a walk and I just call random people. I'll just say, teach me something. And I mean, it's just, you just have to have a never-ending thirst for learning. Like, that's very imperative, especially if you want to get on top and then stay on top. The only way to do it is just to constantly be learning. Or someone who is learning is just gonna, have a leg up on you in the knowledge game.
And what kind of stuff are you? Because you've talked about offline that you just love learning of all kinds. It doesn't matter, but in terms of videos, are you studying videos? Are you studying?
Recently, not as much. I'm more, because to get to the videos I want, I have to build this business and scale up and hire. Right. So more of my recent time has been, like, my teenage years were spent studying virality and studying content creation. Now I'm studying how to build a content company so I can actually produce the crazy ideas I want to produce, if that makes any sense.